And basically, I suppose it's something I've always felt. I just didn't think that I'd ever had a biological clock. Or if I did, maybe mine was digital or had a dodgy snooze button. What is a biological clock anyway? Is it one of those ones made out of a lemon or a potato? Science class. But I still have lots of questions, the sort of questions that anybody does have, you know, like would I have made a good mother? What if a child had had my eczema and my husband's beard, but being a girl? And is it unnatural not to want children? And is unnatural a bad thing anyway? Nylon is unnatural. Deep-fried Mars bars are unnatural. Stephen Hawking's voice is unnatural. That doesn't mean that they are bad things.